Hi everyone, and welcome to this short video tutorial for BrainDeck, the AI-powered flashcards app for iPhone and iPad. In this video, I'll take you through 3 core features of the app that will get you started using BrainDeck to study effectively. We'll learn how to 1. Create a flashcard deck using BrainDeck's AI, 2. Complete a study session with this flashcard deck, and 3. Set up a study schedule to ensure we study regularly until we've mastered our flashcard deck. Let's get started. As a brand new user, your home screen will show the Getting Started checklist. Today, we'll complete this list together and get familiarized with the app. The first item on our checklist is to create our first flashcard deck. Let's go ahead and tap Create now. We're presented with several options for creating our new deck. We can create the flashcards manually or use one of BrainDeck's AI-powered flashcard generators. For this deck, I'm going to use the Generate from Topic option. With this option, we can simply give the app a topic we want to study, and it will generate a deck of flashcards for us. I want to brush up on my geography, so I'm giving the app the topic Capital Cities of Europe. After a short wait while the app works its magic, we're presented with our flashcards. In this screen, we can review, edit, and add to our flashcards. We can also reveal the answer side of our cards by tapping on each card preview's Rotate button. The final step in creating our flashcard deck is to give it some details, such as a title and description. Because we've used BrainDeck's AI to generate our deck, these fields have already been pre-populated. I could edit these if I wanted to, but I'm pretty happy with what's been suggested by the app. In BrainDeck, flashcard decks have front covers. These covers allow you to personalize your decks and make them easy to identify later down the line. A front cover consists of either a symbol or an emoji and a background. For my geography-themed deck, I'm going to use a globe and a bright color for a bit more contrast. Amazing! We've created our first flashcard deck in under 2 minutes. What a time saver. Okay, we have a few options from this screen, but for now, I'm just going to return home. You can see that our Getting Started checklist has automatically been updated to show that we've completed item 1. Let's continue with item 2 and begin our first study session by tapping Study Now. We only have one deck, so that's the one we'll study. Our study session has begun, and we're presented with our first flashcard to answer. Our first card asks us, which city is the capital of Sweden? When answering a flashcard, it's best to write your answers down or say them out loud and commit to your answer. I think the capital city of Sweden is Stockholm, so let's tap Reveal Answer to find out. I was right, excellent. Now I need to tap I was right to record my correct answer. The app records our response and shows us the next flashcard. We repeat this process with each card, marking I was wrong instead of right when we answer incorrectly. When we answer the final card in our deck, we have completed a study session and are presented our results. Looks like I did okay, but there's plenty of room for improvement here. I got 8 cards correct in total, giving me a score of around 66%. We can take a look at our scorecard, where we can also see our session time and open the card review by tapping our score. From here, we can check which cards we answered correctly and incorrectly and review the correct answers to try and remember for our next attempt. Let's leave the study session by closing our scorecard and tapping Done. We can see that we've almost completed our Getting Started checklist now, and it's time to complete item 3 by creating our first study reminder. As you saw during my study session, my geography is a little rusty. I'm going to need a few more study sessions until I've memorized all those cards. Using BrainDeck's schedule feature, I can set up a study schedule that suits me and ensures I stay consistent with my practice. I want to study this deck every weekday after work. So I've checked Monday to Friday, selected 6:30 in the evening and switched repeating on. Then I set the schedule to active and tap Save. Now I'll receive notifications every weekday at 6:30 reminding me to study this deck. Easy. Now that we've completed the Getting Started checklist, our home screen has updated. We can see our current day streak, which tracks how many days in a row we've studied with BrainDeck. Our next scheduled study session is displayed. And from here, we can also perform actions such as starting new study sessions and creating new flashcards. That's how to get started with BrainDeck. We'll have more video tutorials on flashcards and how to use BrainDeck effectively to study coming on the channel soon, so please subscribe if you haven't already. If you found this video useful, please drop us a like and help us reach more learners. If you have a question, drop a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And that's all. Thanks folks, goodbye.